Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Binomial probability problems look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by identifying the parameters and applying the standard formulas to find the correct answer. First, identify the sample size n as 600, the probability of success p as 0.65, and the probability of failure q as 0.35. You got this. Keep moving forward now. For a binomial distribution, the mean is n times p, and the standard deviation is the square root of n times p times q. That is the key formula here. Substitute our values into the formulas to get 600 times 0.65 for the mean and the square root of 600 times 0.65 times 0.35 for the standard deviation. That matches. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Avoid mixing up n and p. Always use the NP formula for binomial distribution problems.